taping. Actually, iti-tape po namin yung concert outside of the studio. Kaya ito po ay first for sessions. And sa Sunday po, kasama ko po as co-host, and I'd like to introduce her to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Apple Chew.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I'm Apple Chew, and of course, hello, Tito Ernie.
Hello.
Beso muna, nagpapasalamat po ako dahil talagang hindi ako nakakalimutan ng sessions. Sabi nga, Tito Ernie, I was their first guest, one of the guests, nung pilot episode ng sessions. At pinangarap ko talaga na makabalik muli sa sessions. And it's an answer prayer kasi now I'm back. And hindi lang as guest singer.
That's
as
right.
a guest co-host. O, diba? Ibang level. Nag-level up ng guesting ko. Thank you for getting me.
Yes, of
and I'm
course.
so happy.
I'd like to, it's our pleasure to have you as our host. I think wala namang ibang pwedeng maging co-host ng show kasi ikaw lang ang pwedeng mag-host and at the same time, pwede rin kumanta.
Wow.
Diba? Kaya perfect po siya para sa show.
Gawin na natin every episode yan.
Oo nga, oo nga.
Gawin pa yung episode na co-host kayo. Papatawa lang ako doon.
Okay, so Apple, sino-sino ba yung mga guests natin for Sunday?
Since special lang ating anniversary concert, mga guests lang naman natin mga Jay Durias, mga Luke Mijares, mga juries, hindi masyadong pang international, Miss Lani de Salucha. Ganun lang naman kasimple ang mga guests natin. Just special ang ating anniversary concert, kaya dapat abangan nyo po yan. Manood po kayo on Sunday. This Sunday na po yan. Exciting. I'm very excited.